Point D, we're past the equivalence point. We have our original 20 milliliters of acid. This time we added 19 milliliters of sodium hydroxide. Mixing two solutions, so you have to do M1V1 equals M2V2. Try this. Make sure you're able to get these two numbers for your concentration of the acid and the base. Plug those into the initial row of your ice chart. This time the limiting reactant is the original acid because this number is smaller. So all of the acid gets consumed. But we still have some sodium hydroxide, 0.0641 molar, and we have chloride, but we really don't care about the chloride concentration because chloride is not an acid and not a base. So if we know how much hydroxide we have, we can calculate the pOH by taking the negative log of 0.0641, and our pOH is 1.19. Subtract from 14 to give us a pH of 12.81. So if we summarize our pH values, at the start of the experiment, the pH was very acidic. All we had was hydrochloric acid, 0.46. We add some sodium hydroxide and the pH goes up to 1.06. At point C, we were at the equivalence, or the stoichiometric point, and this is neutral 7 because the salt we made is sodium chloride. Keep adding sodium hydroxide and the pH goes up to 12.81. That's why we get this S-shaped curve. Near the equivalence point, the pH changes quite a bit, and we get a big increase in pH as we add a little bit more sodium hydroxide past the equivalence point.